In the ever-evolving landscape of the global airline industry, holding the title of top airline is no small feat. It demands relentless dedication to customer service, punctuality, comfort, and safety. Today, we journey through the skies as we unveil the first 10 airlines in our countdown of the top 100 airlines in the world. Starting us off at number 100, we have the vibrant PLAY Airlines. A newcomer to the aviation scene, PLAY Airlines has quickly made a name for itself with its affordable fares and vibrant personality. Next, at number 99, we find TUI Airways. This British charter airline has been a staple for vacationers across the United Kingdom, providing reliable service to sunny destinations around the globe. Moving to number 98, we encounter Air Canada Rouge. This leisure airline, a subsidiary of Air Canada, has been winning over passengers with its friendly service and budget-friendly fares. At number 97, we greet Citilink. This low-cost branch of Garuda Indonesia has been making waves in Southeast Asia with its commitment to punctuality and customer satisfaction. Number 96 brings us to Juneyao Air. Based in Shanghai, this Chinese airline is known for its extensive domestic network and growing international presence. We then meet Air Dolomiti at number 95. This Italian airline, a subsidiary of Lufthansa, has been impressing passengers with its high-quality service and comfortable flights. At number 94, we find Breeze Airways. This American startup has made a splash in the industry with its focus on underserved markets and commitment to a hassle-free travel experience. Number 93 takes us to Norwegian. Despite facing financial challenges, this low-cost carrier has remained a favorite among travelers for its extensive route network and affordable transatlantic flights. At number 92, we find Porter Airlines. This Canadian regional airline has built a reputation for its exceptional service and convenient downtown Toronto hub. And finally, at number 91, we have Brussels Airlines. As Belgium's flag carrier, this airline has been a symbol of Belgian hospitality, offering a mix of short-haul and long-haul flights to destinations across Europe and beyond. That concludes the first part of our countdown. Stay tuned as we continue to traverse the skies, exploring the airlines that have earned their place in our top 100. Subscribe to our channel to ensure you don't miss a moment of this high-flying countdown. Until next time, safe travels.